Hello and welcome to another TopTipper demo video. In this video, we're going to show you how to utilize our templated sign feature to create signs for your business. So first thing is you go to your dashboard at mydashboard.toptipper.co, log in. On the left-hand side, you'll see signs in the menu. You select that. You select create a sign. So we have two options right now. We have a 28 by 44 inch wind sign. That's really for car washes where they put those signs outside at the car wash. And then we have a 3.5 by 5.5 wood laser etch sign. That's really great for hospitality, but could also be used in any type of tipping business where you want people to see a sign in an indoor environment. So first, let's look at the 28 by 44. Select the style. As I said, it's a wind sign. Here you would select how you've set up your tipping configuration. So let's say in this instance, you just have one location and you have a macro level pooled tip. You'll select organization. You'll select create. And that sign is now available. You can download it. Here's what the sign looks like. It has your logo, QR code. You could download that sign and send it to your own printer, or you could print it on your printer, however you want. Conversely, you could buy it from the site Square Signs. You would take that file, you would upload it here. In this instance, here it is. You'd add it to your cart, and then you would just check out and go through to buy the sign and have it delivered to you. Now, let's create the smaller sign. So this is the wooden laser etch sign. Again, you'd select how your configuration is set up. Let's do it again here. That sign is now available. Now to buy that sign, now you could obviously download that if you wanted to and just print it if you wanted, however you want, or any kind of paper. But if you wanted a wood laser etch sign, you would click on this link to Etsy and you would follow the instructions, which are right here. If you press on the I, but I'll show you what you would do. You'd click on the link. This is our preferred sign vendor. You'd request an order. You'd log into Etsy. You would upload that file, and then you would go through the process with this seller, the Laser Art Studio. They've done tons of signs for us. They do great work, and you'll be in good hands. If you have any questions, we're always here at support@toptipper.co. Thank you so much. Have a great day.